Hi everyone, today we will begin our new chapter, similarity. We can do exercise 15a. First question. In the figure given below, straight lines AB and CD intersect at P and AC parallel to BD. Prove that first one, triangle APC is similar to what? Triangle BDP. That is our first question. Then second one is, if BD is equal to 2.4 centimeter, AC is equal to 3.6 centimeter, PD is equal to 4 centimeter and PB is equal to 3.2 centimeter, find the length of PA and PC. Here we want to find out what triangle. We want to prove triangle APC is similar to triangle BPD. So for that, consider triangle APC and triangle BDP. So we are considering that two triangles. So what about angle APC? APC, this angle, and BPD, this angle, are vertically opposite angles. So that too will be equal. So angle APC is equal to angle BPD, vertically opposite angles. Then look at angle PAC. PAC, that means PAC, this one, if you are considering, AC is a parallel to BD. AC is parallel to BD and AB is the transversal. These two are parallel lines and AB is the transversal. So PAC will be equal to PBD. These two will be equal since these two are alternate angles. If you are turning like this way, right side, just turn right side. So easily we can understand that AC and BD are parallel and AB is the transversal. So this angle A will be equal to angle B. Reason is what? Alternate angles. That is, PAC and PBD are alternate angles. So we got two angles of one triangle is equal to the other two angles of another triangle. So AA postulate. So using our similarity concept, we can use what? AA postulate. So we can directly say that triangle APC is similar to triangle BPD using AA postulate. Two angles AA. So we can say that two triangles are similar. That is our first part. Now we prove triangle APC is similar to triangle BPD. If these two triangles are similar, can say that the corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So which are the corresponding sides? That is, if you are taking AP and divided by BP will be equal to PC divided by PD. That is also equal to which one? AC divided by BD. That means the corresponding sides of similar triangle, these two are the similar triangles. So corresponding sides of these two similar triangles are proportional. So PC divided by PD is equal to AC divided by BD. We have the values, substitute that values. PC we want to find out, we don't know that. So PC divided by PD is what? 4. AC is 3.6. BD is 2.4. Why we are taking these two first? Why? Because if you are taking this 2 means AP we want to find out. AP we don't know and PC also we don't know. If we take these 2 first means 2 unknowns are there. So after finding PC divided by PD is equal to AC divided by BD, from there we will get the value of PC. That is PC is equal to 3.6 into 4 divided by 2.4, 1 decimal. So we can remove one decimal place if you are multiplying with the 10. So 3.6 into 4 divided by 2.4 into 10 into 10. So remove 3.6. If you don't know, please listen. 3.6 into 10 is what? 36 into 10 is 360. 36 into 10, 360. So one place, remove one place. So it will become 36. That is 36. 36 in 3.6 into 10 is 36. Then that 4 as 4 itself. Same way 2.4 into 10 is what? 2.4 into 10 is 24 into 10 is 240. One decimal place, remove one decimal place. So 24. So 24. Then 6, 4 and 8. 4 and 24. So how many times? 6 4s are 24. Then 6 6s are 36. So 6 centimeter. We got it as PC. PC value is 6 centimeter. Next we want to find out AP. How can we find AP? If you are taking these two, AP we want to find out means BP value we know, PC now we got it as 6 centimeter divided by PD also we know. Substitute in these two, we will get the value of AP. So we can write that. So take AP divided by BP is equal to PC divided by PD. AP we want to find out. So AP divided by BP is what? 3.2. PC we got it as 6 from the first part. PD is 4. It is there in the question. So cross multiply. 4 AP is equal to 3.2 into 6. So AP is equal to 6 into 3.2 divided by 4. So if you multiply 6 into 3.2 divided by 4, for changing the decimals, if you are multiplying by 10, it will become what? 6 into 3.2 into 10 is what? 32 into 10 is 320. Remove one decimal place. So it will be 32 divided by 4 into 10. So that is this one. 4 into 10. So how many times? 4 and 32. How many times we can cancel? Check it. Then what about that? Check it. 8 times. No. 4 and 32. 8 times. Then 6 into 8. 6 into 8 is 48. 48 divided by 10. How can we write 48 divided by 10? 1 0 means we can remove one decimal place. So final answer it will be 1 0 here denominator. We can remove one decimal place. So that is a easy way, no? So 4.8 centimeter is the value of AP. Thank you.